Pluto is even further away and perplexing. This small world was once considered a member of our planetary family, but it was later reclassified. That decision, along with discussions by leading astrophysicists like Neil deGrasse Tyson and Michio Kaku, has brought Pluto back into the spotlight. Some claims suggest that this cold world is about to experience a close interaction with Neptune. But how could this happen? And what might be the consequences of such a tremendous event? Are we witnessing an extraordinary cosmic phenomenon? Or is there something else behind this idea? Pluto, now classified as a dwarf planet, remains a subject of fascination within the scientific community. In recent discussions, expectations from well-known scientists have raised concerns about Pluto's trajectory being dangerously close to Neptune. However, there is no confirmed scientific warning of any imminent collision. But how is such an event even possible? Pluto's journey around the Sun is unique. It takes approximately 248 years to complete one orbit. Since its discovery in 1930, Pluto has only completed one full revolution around the Sun. Its orbital path is highly unusual. Unlike the nearly circular orbits of major planets, Pluto's orbit is elliptical and tilted about 17 degrees from the ecliptic plane. This extreme tilt adds layers of complexity to its motion. One of the most intriguing aspects of Pluto's orbit is its periodic proximity to Neptune. For about 20 years during each orbit, Pluto actually comes closer to the Sun than Neptune. This defies simple expectations and raises an important question. Why hasn't Pluto collided with Neptune? The answer lies in gravitational interactions and orbital mechanics. Although Pluto's orbit crosses Neptune's path, a stable orbital resonance prevents collision. For every 3 orbits Neptune completes, Pluto completes 2. This means that whenever Pluto crosses Neptune's orbit, the two bodies are always far apart. Another key factor is vertical displacement. When Pluto passes through Neptune's orbital region, it is either significantly above or below the orbital plane, ensuring additional separation. These mechanisms keep Pluto's orbit stable over millions, even billions of years. Advanced simulations conducted since the late 20th century confirm that, despite appearing chaotic, Pluto's orbit remains stable. Gravitational influences from other planets, especially Jupiter and Saturn, also contribute to maintaining this stability. Together, these forces create a delicate balance that prevents major disruptions. Without these interactions, planetary orbits could become unstable, potentially leading to collisions, or even ejections from the solar system. While Pluto's orbit appears unpredictable, hidden forces ensure its long-term stability. Understanding these dynamics helps scientists study not only Pluto, but also planetary systems across the universe. However, over extremely long timescales, small perturbations could introduce changes. A passing star, distant celestial object, or the hypothetical Planet 9 could, in theory, alter Pluto's orbit slightly. Even then, such changes would take millions or billions of years. Despite these possibilities, there is no evidence suggesting that Pluto's orbit will become unstable in the foreseeable future. Missions like New Horizons have revealed that Pluto is far more complex than once believed. It has icy mountains, frozen plains, and signs of geological activity. Some scientists even speculate about a possible subsurface ocean. These discoveries continue to deepen our understanding of Pluto and its behavior. Pluto and Neptune will continue their intricate orbital dance, guided by gravity. Their interaction is not chaotic, but precisely structured. Pluto's orbit also demonstrates a concept known as orbital chaos. This means that small differences in initial conditions can lead to large variations over long periods. Even so, the system remains stable. Simulations show that tiny variations in Pluto's position or velocity could change its path over millions of years. Yet despite this sensitivity, its orbit maintains long-term consistency. Predicting astronomical events in such systems is challenging. Models depend heavily on initial conditions and complex gravitational interactions. Small uncertainties can lead to very different outcomes over time. Even so, current models strongly support the stability of Pluto's orbit. The gravitational relationships between Pluto, Neptune, Jupiter, and Saturn highlight the delicate balance within our solar system. Each body plays a role in maintaining order, so why do some discussions suggest a possible collision? Scientists like Neil deGrasse Tyson emphasize that our understanding of space continues to evolve. While Pluto's orbit is stable now, long-term changes are always a theoretical possibility, but not an immediate threat. In conclusion, Pluto's orbit offers a remarkable example of how gravitational forces maintain stability in the solar system. Although its path appears unusual, precise mechanisms prevent collisions. A Pluto-Neptune collision is not expected. Instead, what we observe is a carefully balanced cosmic system. Pluto's journey reminds us that the universe is both complex and ordered. Even seemingly chaotic motion follows underlying laws. Its story is still unfolding, one orbit at a time. Yet Pluto's story does not end with orbital mechanics alone. Beyond its motion, Pluto represents one of the most intriguing frontiers in planetary science. Its surface, revealed in stunning detail by New Horizons, shows a world that is far from inactive. Towering ice mountains, vast nitrogen plains, and possible cryovolcanoes suggest that Pluto is still evolving. This raises deeper questions. Could Pluto still be geologically active? Could it even harbor a subsurface ocean beneath its icy crust? If so, it may reshape how scientists think about habitability in the outer solar system. At the same time, Pluto's relationship with Neptune continues to serve as a model for understanding orbital resonance. Similar gravitational relationships have been observed in distant exoplanetary systems, showing that the same laws governing our solar system apply across the universe. However, the concept of orbital chaos remains a reminder of nature's unpredictability. Even systems that appear stable can evolve over immense periods of time. Tiny gravitational nudges from distant stars, unseen objects, or even a slow shifting of planetary masses can accumulate and lead to significant changes. Could Pluto's orbit ever become unstable? In theory, yes, but only over timescales so vast that they stretch beyond human comprehension. Current models suggest stability lasting billions of years. Any meaningful disruption would require an extraordinary event, such as a close stellar encounter or the influence of a massive, undiscovered body like Planet 9. Even then, the probability remains extremely low. This perspective highlights an important truth: space is not static. It is dynamic, evolving, and constantly shaped by gravitational interactions. Pluto's orbit, while unusual, is part of a larger cosmic choreography that has remained balanced for ages. Scientists like Neil deGrasse Tyson often emphasize that discoveries like Pluto challenge our definitions and expand our understanding. What was once considered the ninth planet is now recognized as part of a broader population of icy worlds in the Kuiper Belt. And perhaps that is Pluto's greatest contribution. Not its size or classification, but the questions it raises. What defines a planet? How stable is our solar system really? And how many hidden worlds are still waiting to be discovered? As technology advances and future missions push deeper into space, Pluto may once again surprise us. New data could refine our models, challenge assumptions, or even reveal entirely new phenomena. For now, Pluto and Neptune continue their synchronized motion, never colliding, never drifting into chaos, but moving in a precise gravitational rhythm. It is a quiet dance, governed by laws we are still striving to fully understand. In the end, Pluto reminds us of something profound. Even in the vastness of space, where uncertainty seems infinite, there exists an underlying order, a balance, a structure, and a story that is still being written far beyond the edge of our world.